Hey, what's up? This is JR from On the Other Side of the Road. Today I am leading a group of 4 riders today. They go by Free Riders NYC. And you can check them out on Facebook. You can't see them behind me because the camera is pointing forward. So we have let's see, we have a Heritage. She goes by the name of Carmen. We have a Trike. He goes by Nick. We have an older Electroglide, the kind without the fairing on it. I don't know what year it is, but you know, I can post that in the description. And his name is Joe. And Joe happens to be the creator of this group, Free Riders NYC. And myself with a 15 Ultra Limited. And guess what today is? It's Sunday, Halloween Day. Now you may not see this video until sometime during the week. So let's enjoy the ride. Today seems like a very excellent day for a nice foliage ride, and check out all the amazing colors. So I have this custom route that I'm following right now, and we're heading north, and I'm zigzagging it a little bit on the Connecticut-New York state line, but on New York side. So we're heading north, and we're gonna end up on the US 6 and take a little lunch up there and then hike it back. Wow, look at that. We've got some nice yellows right there on the right. Yep. There's some more. Oh, these are a little more on the red orangey side. There's some nice other beautiful colors here. You know, there's nothing nicer than when you're taking a ride like this and checking out all these fabulous colors in, you know, true October fashion. You know, as nice as these colors are down here where I'm at, I'm a little bit south right now. So I'm hoping that as we go north, we're gonna get to see some more colors all mixed up. I love to see the mixed up colors. Wow, that's a pretty big, large group of bicyclists. Here's another group, a little smaller, but quite a few guys. Uh-oh, that light is about to turn. I'm gonna lose the guys. I better pull over right here. We'll just hang out here for a few until that light turns green for them, and then we'll continue on our way. Funny thing is that when we were before we were pulling out of the parking lot back home, Joe and I was having a little conversation about leading a ride, and you know, you got some guys that they you know, they're up ahead. They don't really look at their mirrors to see that their group is still behind, and you know, you end up losing them, especially when you have riders that don't keep the group tight, you know, and that could be a problem sometimes. And a few times you'll have to pull over and say, hey, what's up? What's with the, you know, who's stretching out the gap here? And you know, those are things you got to deal with when you're in a group ride. I kind of like riding in smaller groups, like what we have now: 4 guys, 5 guys, maybe 6 guys. And the thing is that you also have to know who's with you, what kind of riders they are, and you know, you just have to kind of work around that. Oh, look at this little stretch of oranges right here. Yeah, a little bit, yeah, a little yellow mixed in there somewhere. But look, there's some red on the top of these. Very beautiful. Oh wow, look at this. The foliage wall. That is nice. Oh wow. That's definitely picture worthy right there. Let's turn the camera up a bit. Yeah, wow, look at that. You got the orange, the yellows, a little bit of browns, some greens in between there. I mean, wow, that's pretty spectacular. Yeah, look at that. Oh, a little stretch of colors. Nice, beautiful houses on these properties. Alright, we're going to get off this road here and go into some more little twisties over here. How cool is this? I like when the vegetation is like really kind of over your head and you're going through, and then you got sunlight coming through it. Yo, dude, you're hogging up the road. What's up? You know, the thing about drivers up here, they're very, very considerate of motorcyclists and bicyclists. That's for sure. I mean, you can see these cars coming from the opposite direction, and they're passing a bicyclist, and they kind of move all the way into the other road just to go around them. You know, it's a good thing and it could be a bad thing, because if you're coming down that road and he decides that, oh, let me pass this bicyclist, and he cuts right in front of you before he dips back in. I mean, I had a guy do that. I mean, I thought I was literally gonna head-on collision with this guy, and my girlfriend Arlene, she flipped out. I mean, it was very unnecessary for that car to even cross a double yellow line as much as he did. I should have saved that video. I mean, I don't know what else to say about that, but man, that was a little moment right there for sure. Oh, look at that, stretch of yellows right here. A little orangey tips, but generally yellow. Uh-oh. Looks like a little spooky section right here. Look at these. Whoa, he's flying right there. Kind of look like Casper. Now this looks like a cool little back road right here. This is nice. Oh, look at this. Beautiful cottages right here. Nice little bushings and everything. Wow, nice landscape. Oh, here's another little cottage looking house. Very cute. Oh wow, look at these colors right here. That's some nice reds right there. Cool. All right, time to take a break. Here's a little spot to pull in that's mobile. Go to the bathroom, do what you need to do, hang out and chat for a few, and get going again.
I'm not sure if they got a bathroom.
All right, I think we're ready to go. Everybody is all good. Follow the leader. That's me. Another good part about going by lakes is the lake scenery too. I'd say let's turn around the camera here a little bit. Yeah, there you go. I hope that will show pretty good on the camera. I can see it on the back of the little mini monitor on the GoPro. I think I got it oriented pretty good. Yep, that was cool. Oh, look at this. This is nice. Got some colors going on over here right next to the lake. Oh, this appears to be a farmer's market. Now, if you haven't been to one, you gotta go to one because they have great bakery stuff and all the fresh fruit and vegetables you can get. It's excellent. I love going to farmer's market. I did some videos, location series videos of such locations. So check out my library. Oh, look at that. Some family is in the spirit of Halloween. How cool is that? All right, I think the riders are hungry, and here's our stop right here. Grand Central Market Deli. Really good deli to come by. They got all gourmet food. Okay, guys, be nice to everybody, and I'll see you on the other side of the road. Peace.